Hey everyone, in this video we're gonna learn how to use or how to integrate OpenAlgo Telegram bot, right? So let me first go to OpenAlgo. Already OpenAlgo is running locally here, and this is the latest version. So you can see that version 1.0.0.33, right? So if you go to your profile section, you will be find this Telegram bot, and the Telegram bot right now I need to go and configure. So I'm going to go and configure over here. I'm going to enter my Telegram bot token. So for that, first I need to go to the Telegram application. So let me pull up my Telegram application over here. So here is Telegram application. So from the Telegram application, I'm gonna search for bot father. I'll say like at BOTFATHER. You can go to the bot father and you can go and create your own Telegram bot. So all you have to do is like you have to go and type /new bot and then enter. It will be asking you to enter the bot name. So I'm gonna enter the bot name as like OpenAlgo. That's the name that I'm gonna give a name to that bot. And it is asking me to select the username of the bot. The username of the bot should end with bot. So the keyword bot has to be there at the end. So I'm going to say like OpenAlgo _ bot. That's the name I'm going to give it to that. So, okay, the name is already taken. Let me try something different. Let's say like OpenAlgo bot without underscore. I'll try to give. Yeah, so that has been, that bot is available. So I'll copy the API key. So it also gives me an API key. The moment I'm clicking on this API key, it's a secret key. You should not share with anybody. So I'll be deleting it once it is done. So I'll copy this. Once the API key is copied, you can go and enter the bot token, right? And you can save the configuration over here, right? Once the configuration is saved, now it's time to go and launch the bot over here. Let me go to the bot, right? And I'll click on this OpenAlgo bot. So here's the bot link. Before opening the bot link, what I'm going to do is like first go to OpenAlgo. I'll ensure that the bot status I'm running over here. I'm going to start the bot over here. So the bot is getting started. So once the bot is getting started, you should be seeing the bot status in a running state. That means bot is now ready to send message, likely to communicate. So I'll go back to the OpenAlgo and then so I'll go back to the Telegram and then I'll try to open up the OpenAlgo bot. So I'm going to press the start. So if I press the start, you can see that it is start communicating with OpenAlgo. It says like welcome to OpenAlgo bot, and I also mentioned my name. And what I'm going to do right now is like I'm going to link with OpenAlgo. So I'm going to do /link is the command, which you can see here. The example is provided over here. I have to go and get the API key. I'm going to go and get an API key over here. So I'll open up the API key and I'll go and copy the API key, right? That's what I'm going to do. And I'll put it over here. I'll put my API key. Followed by that, I also have to ensure that I'm entering my OpenAlgo URL as well. So this is my OpenAlgo URL. Copy that and you can paste it and ensure that there is no trailing slash. So exactly the OpenAlgo URL should be matching where your OpenAlgo is running. And once you type enter, it will be validating whether your account is valid or not. So account linked successfully. That means now you will be able to access all the list of available commands. So if you go to menu, you'll be giving you that smart menu will be occurring over here. You can also go to the help section to get the list of available commands. For example, I can get my funds. I can go and type funds. That will be listing the fund details, available fund details, right? I can also access my order book and I'll be able to access my trade book, right? So I can access my trade book over here. I can also access my positions, right? So positions, you can see the commands over here. It's /positions, and you will also able to get access to your P&L as well. If in case you want to access your P&L, you can get access to the P&L. Right now, I think only 3 trades are running up. So whatever the P&L is there, you'll be able to get those P&L details as well, right? So yeah, so the P&L unrealized and realized P&L. So it will be giving you both unrealized and realized P&L as well. And followed by that, let's say I also want to access my holdings. So I'll be able to access my holdings as well. And right now everything is read only. So right now we are in the phase 1 of Telegram implementation. So once the stage is successfully tested and validated, right now we are in the validation stage. Now next stage will be even more interesting, where you'll be able to place complex orders, right? Straddle, you can monitor complex option strategies altogether. A lot of interesting things that is upcoming. And let's say I also want to access my quote of the symbol. So I just type /quote, and you can say like, hey, I want for Reliance. It will be getting you by default from NSE by default. But if in case, let's say you want to get the Nifty future symbol, right? So what you can do is like, you can go and get the OpenAlgo symbol format from here, go and select NFO, and let's say like Nifty future. So that will be bringing you the Nifty. Let's say you want to get the Nifty September contract, right? So Nifty September contract is here, and just copy the Nifty September contract, come back to your Telegram bot and just say like /quote and place the OpenAlgo symbol followed by that exchange. OpenAlgo exchange is like NFO for Nifty futures and options, and type enter. That should be getting you the quotes for Nifty future, right? And not just that, you can also get a comprehensive list over here as well. If you get /help, you can also see how we can get the codes, right? You can also get the code for indices as well. You can just say like quote Nifty. Nifty is a common symbol format for Nifty index, and NSE_index is the exchange for getting the index symbols. So that will be getting you the Nifty index details. Likewise, you can also get for India VIX, Sensex. For Sensex, you have to use BSE_index. Say like quote Sensex, and you can give like BSE_index. So that will be giving you the list of BSE index details that you're gonna get over here. Followed by that, there is something very interesting which is going on there. Like we have like chart. Chart is one of my favorite. Let's say like chart, I'll say like Reliance. That will be fetching the 5-minute data by default for the last 5 trading days. It tried to get me the intraday chart. You can also go back and watch that charts as well. But later on you can customize. If in case you need customization, you can build your own customization inside the Telegram bot itself. But this by default brings 5-minute data. But let's say if you go to help, you can get more comprehensive details about it. Let's say you can also bring what are the time frame that you want. You can bring it as well. Let's say I'll say like chart, Reliance, and I'll say NSE, intraday. And you can say like we want 1-minute data for the last 2 days. If I try to say that, it should be bringing me the intraday data for the last 2 days. It's bringing me the 1-minute data over here. You can also get the daily data as well. So if in case you want the daily data, I can say like chart, Reliance, NSE is the exchange, daily, and D is the time frame. Let's say you want to get for like last 50 days of daily data that you want to get. So you can tell how many days of data that you want to get. That will be giving you the historical data for the last 50 trading days. It's calendar days basically. It try to get you the last 50 days of data, right? So that is the current phase of Telegram bot. Let me know what are the different types of things from Telegram that you want to access via OpenAlgo, and this can be done across all the supported OpenAlgo brokers. Right now, OpenAlgo supports 24 brokers at this point in time, right? Very soon, more and more brokers that we are adding one by one. So very slowly, you'll be seeing like more Telegram features. So let me know what Telegram features that you would like to see. So let me know in comments, right? Thank you.